Economic development in Satavahana's period. There was a vast economic development in the Deccan under Satavahanas. Agriculture and industries flourished well, but the agriculture was the main occupation of Satavahanas. Coming to the major crops which are grown during the Satavahanas period are rice, jowar, jute, gingerly, and sugarcane. For tilling the land, besides oxen, asses, and he buffaloes were also used. For agriculture, wells became the principal water supply sources, although canals and embankments were there. Persian wheel is a water machine which is used to lift the water from canals and wells during Satavahana's period. And the land owned by king is called Rajakshetra or Rajakanketa. Rajakshetra and Rajakanketa. The main source of revenue for the kingdom was Bhumisistu, nothing but land tax. The main source of revenue is Bhumisistu, land tax. It can be 1/4 or 1/6. And the taxes during the Satavahana's period are Bali, Baga. Bali is the tax paid to the king, and the Baga is the tax paid on agriculture produce. It can be 1/6 or 18%. Baga is also known as Rajabaga or Deyameya, and the Sulka is the tax on water, and the Kara is the tax on vegetables, and Karuka is the tax paid by professional associations, and the tax can be paid by cash or kind. Rajuhaka is the land surveying officer. The Satavahanas were the first to give land to Brahmins and Sramanas. Economic professionals during Satavahana's period. Each profession is developed into community which is called as Sreni, and it was headed by Sreshti. Sreni is headed by Sreshti. Srenis are acted as banks during Satavahana's period, and they charged 12% of interest on the loan given. We get all this through Nasik inscription, which was given by Rishabhadatta. In Satavahana dynasty, Nasik inscription was given by two people. Nasik inscription was given by Gautami Balasri, and Rishabhadatta also gave Nasik inscription. Don't be confused. Here are the some economic professions during Satavahana's period. Let's start discussing one by one. Farmers are known as Halikas, carpenters Vadikas, cobblers are known as Kasakaras, and the florists are known as Malakarulu. Next, fisherman is known as Dasaka. Next, Gadikulu are known as perfume makers. Perfume makers are Gadikulu. Next, Kammara are known as blacksmith. Kammara, blacksmith. Gadikulu, perfume makers. Dasaka, fishermen. Malakarulu, florist. Kasakara, cobblers. Vadika, carpenter. Halikas, farmers. Potters were known as Kularulu, and Kolikas are the weavers. Sardavahus are the persons who do trade with the foreigners, and the Vejja is known as physician. Next, Selavadika are the sculptors. Next, Suvarnakas are known as goldsmith. Suvarnakas, goldsmith. Selavadika, sculptor. Selavadika, sculptor. Vejja, physician. Sardavahu, traders who do trade with foreigners. Next, Kolikas are known as weavers. Kularulu are the potters. These professionals were very important for the exam. They might be asked in the match the following. Please try to learn them very carefully.